Hey friends, welcome back to Quinn AI Insight. If you've been looking for ways to work smarter with AI, create content faster, and even turn it into a source of income, you're gonna love today's tool. Honestly, the first time I tried it, I couldn't stop smiling. Before we start, quick reminder, if you love powerful AI tools that save you time and boost your income, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And don't skip through the video, because somewhere in this tutorial, there's a tiny setting that could be the difference between a meh video and one that goes viral. You don't need a fancy camera, expensive editing software, or any pro-level skills to build a YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create high-quality videos using a tool called AI VideoGen. It's a powerful AI platform that makes video creation fast, easy, and super polished. I'll walk you through step by step. All you have to do is follow along with my screen and do exactly the same. First, open your browser and click the VideoGen link in the YouTube description below. This is where the magic begins. It's the platform that lets you create a complete video in just a few minutes. Once you're on the site, head to the top right corner and click Sign Up. The quickest way? Just log in with your Google account. No need to create a new password. Enter your topic or idea. Here's where the fun begins. Think of a video idea, maybe 15 AI tools to supercharge your productivity, or quick tips for making a healthy meal in minutes. Type it into the box and the AI will automatically create a script for you. Step 3. Customize your settings. Choose your video length. Short, about 300 words, medium, about 600 words, or set your own custom length. You can also pick the language: English, Spanish, Vietnamese, and more. Most people will stick with English, but it's nice to have options if you want to reach a global audience. Step 4. Edit the script. This is where VideoGen really shines. Before your video is finalized, you get to see the full AI-generated script, and you can edit anything. Don't like a sentence? Rewrite it. Want to add a personal touch? Go for it. For the voiceover, you can choose male or female, calm or energetic.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
I usually preview 2 to 3 voices before deciding, because the voice sets the mood for the entire video. Step 5. Generate your video. When you're happy with your script and voiceover, click Create Video. In just a few minutes, the AI will match your script with stock footage, add transitions and animations, layer in music, and place your voiceover perfectly. In my tests, most videos are ready in under 3 minutes. Now let's watch the sample video AI just created. You're gonna be amazed.
Preparing a healthy meal in minutes is easier than you think. Start by choosing a lean protein source, such as grilled chicken, tofu, or canned beans. These options cook quickly or require minimal preparation. Next, add a variety of colorful vegetables, fresh, frozen, or even pre-cut, like spinach, bell peppers, or cherry tomatoes. Toss them into a stir-fry, salad, or wrap for added nutrition and flavor. Opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat tortillas, which can be cooked ahead of time or microwaved for convenience. Use herbs, spices, and a squeeze of lemon to boost taste without extra calories. Keep healthy dressings or sauces on hand for quick seasoning. Finally, remember to balance your plate with protein, veggies, and grains. With a little planning and some smart shortcuts, you can enjoy a delicious, nutritious meal in just minutes, fueling your body and saving time.
Step 6. Download and share. Once your video is rendered, click Download and choose HD or 4K, depending on your needs. Then it's ready to go live. Upload it to YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or anywhere you share your content. Quick tip: spend a few extra minutes creating a strong title and adding the right keywords so people can find your video. See? No filming, no learning complicated editing software, no expensive mic, just one tool and 5 minutes. VideoGen is perfect for quickly testing ideas or managing multiple channels without burning out. If you found this helpful, hit like so more people can discover it, and don't forget to subscribe to Quinn AI Insight. I share new AI tips every week. Leave a comment if you want me to review another AI tool or if you have any questions about VideoGen. See you in the next one.